Hi students! Today I want to show you how to record your listening assessment in your ePortfolio. So you're going to go to the Classwork tab of your classroom and you're going to click on ePortfolios. Then you are going to find your ePortfolio and click on it. Now you will see you have a listening assessment, so click on it and you want to scroll through it to read any comments that I made. See your answers. You can do that by scrolling down on the right hand side of your screen. There's a scroll bar, okay? And then at the very top, you will see the points you got, 18 out of 20 for this one. So record that in your notebook, and then look for your name, and right underneath your name, you are going to see your individual tracking score. So you need that as well. So this one here says 4, completing with excellence. So I've recorded that. Now I'm going to arrow back. And now I need to use my 2 fingers. So I'm going to use my left finger to click down on the touchpad, the bottom left-hand corner. And I'm going to use my right finger on my right hand to slide it up into listening artifacts number 3. So I'm doing that, and then I let go. Now I click move. And now I just want to double check that the listening assessment ended up in listening artifacts. And there it is. Good. So now click on your name. And then you're going to click on number 2, inventory sheets. And I had to double click. Then double click on the picture. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see different tabs. Click on the listening tab. And that will bring you to your listening sheet. So if your name isn't on it, type your name in this box up here. So this is where your name is going to go. And you see whatever the date was, you are going to go down to date and you're going to write today's date, and you can actually just click on that colored number if it pops up, and that will give you the correct date. Now for the task, so I'm just clicking on the box beside task, and I'm going to write mental health listening assessment. And I'm going to click formal assessment. Now I want to go down to competency, comprehending information, and click on that. And then I'm going to use the arrow button on my keyboard, my down arrow, to move down. And I want to record my score. So the score for this student was 18 out of 20. And I'm going to arrow down a little bit more on my keypad. And that is successful. Now, if you were a student before, then you have to go down to listening artifact number 2 or number 3, whichever next one is empty. And I'm using my arrow button on the keypad. So that is how you record your listening assessment in your listening inventory. And to go back, just close exit, and you can go back to the main page by clicking on your name. And then you can just go and exit out of here, and always exit all these tabs. So that is how you record your listening assessment.